Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Ayan. Happy birthday, JOJO ABIT, ang aking inaanak sa Team The Bar. So, dalawa lang talagang inaanak kong legal. Oo. Si JOJO ABIT at si Sheikhas. Ayan. So, ayan. Happy birthday sa'yo, JOJO ABIT. I'm praying that God bless you with more years to enjoy and more years to just reach your goal and yung dreams mo in life. Ayan. So, thank you for the friendship. Know that I will always be here to support you sa iyong hindi financial ha, utang na loob. To support you kapag may LS ka or premiere, ganyan. Well, once in a blue moon ka lang naman mag-premiere. So, i-make sure ko na talaga na pumunta doon. So, ayun. Happy birthday and enjoy!
Hello! Ayan, so gusto ko lang pong batiin si Ninong JOJO ABIT ng happy birthday. Wish you all the best and more OT to come. Sana all! Ayan, so enjoy your day, Ninong, and mag-iingat ka po palagi. Andito lang ako para patuloy po kayong supportahan ang buong team. So, happy birthday and God bless. Keep safe always. Bye!
Hello everyone! Gusto ko lang ipabatid ang aking pagbati sa nag-iisang JOJO ABIT. Maligayang kaarawan sa'yo. So, finally, nadagdagan na naman ng taon at nadagdagan na naman ng taba at where's your leeg na? So, ayun. Wish you happy birthday and sana stay healthy and sana mabawasan na yung OT mo para mabawasan yung kayamanan mo. And enjoy and sana magdamit ka na, Char. So, happy birthday ulit, JOJO ABIT!
JOJO ABIT! Bago pa makalimutan, happy birthday to you. Ayan. Welcome back, streaming. Talaga naman. Nagpahinga ba? Ayan, happy birthday to you. I wish you have many more birthdays to come. And I wish that the Lord will grant your heart's desires. At sana ay hindi ka magbabago. You will always be there. And we will always be there for you likewise. Ayan. Ingat ka palagi. And salamat sa iyong suporta. Since day 1, nandyan ka. At hanggang ngayon, ilang taon na ang nakalipas. Ayan, maraming salamat and enjoy your day and enjoy your live streaming. Congratulations in advance because I know it will be successful. Ayan, maraming salamat and take care always. We love you.
Hello everyone! Hello everything! So, syempre, nandito tayo ulit para bumati ng napakabonggang happy birthday sa ating pinakamamahal na JOJO ABIT, ang pinaka-pogi sa lahat, Char. Ayun, 1 year na ulit. Birthday mo na ulit, diba? Ang bilis ng panahon. Nag-birthday ka lang last year. Anyway, enjoy your birthday at sana lahat ng wishes mo ay matupad. At sana din... Hi, Ro! Yan si Rohan. Sana din, syempre, matagpuan mo na yung makakapuwang mo sa buhay. Char. Sa tamang panahon. So yun, happy birthday at sana, alam mo na, magkagasat ulit ako sa iyong live stream. So, happy birthday!
Hi everyone! Hello! This is Marie's Vlog UK. Bumabati ng isang maligayang kaarawan sa ating nag-iisang JOJO ABIT. JOJO ABIT. Ilang taon ka na, be? Di ko alam kung ilang taon ka na, pero anyway, it's your secret. It's up to you. You tell it or you not. It's up to you. Jo, happy birthday! I wish you all the best. I wish all your plans, all your dreams will become true. Bata ka pa, I'm sure marami ka pang plano, marami ka pang dreams na gusto mong i-achieve. So, sana lahat yun matupad mo in the future. Thank you for being supportive. Thank you sa pagiging mabait mo kay Ate Marie at saka pagiging tagapagtanggol. Well, I can say tagapagtanggol. You know what I mean. You're so sweet. You know that if Ate Marie is not okay, you're always there. Text ka, are you okay? Are you alright? Even though I don't say anything, but you can feel it sometimes, don't you? Thank you sa pagiging, Maaasahan ko pagdating sa Pilipinas na treasurer. Meron kaming Bank of JOJO and Bank of Shira Dinandabar. Sila yung dalawang yun. Sila yung napagkakatiwalaan namin, mga taga Manchester girls. Silang dalawa. So, salamat sa pagkiking mabuting tao. Mabuting tao ka ba, Jo? Hindi nga. Anyway, happy birthday, Jo. Enjoy your day today. And thank you very much for being so sweet and being so humble to Ate Marie. Ate Marie always here for you, you know that. Enjoy your day. Enjoy your live streaming. Baka wala na naman ako dyan, but I got something for you for sure. Hindi na ako nag-sponsor ha, kasi kailangan natin ng SC, okay? Bye, Jo! Love you. Enjoy your day. Have a good day, everyone! Bye! Huwag niyo papansinin yung braso ko ha, panlaban yan. Huwag kayo dyan, malutsog yan, malutsog. Hi!
Hi guys, it's me again, Polen Music and Vlog. I just wanna greet Jojo Abit a happy birthday. Yes, Jojo! Ilang taon ka na, ano? Ayoko na mag-joke. Baka mamaya, please, ayan. Sana pagpalain ka pa ni Lord ng marami pang biyaya at okay, keep safe. Keep safe everywhere, every time. At mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo. Enjoy your day and God bless, okay? Happy birthday!
Hey, Jojo Abit! Happy birthday from Mommy Pipi and Baby Amir. Ayan, wish namin sana lahat ng prayers mo ay sagutin na ni Lord. Lahat ng iyong hiling ay matupad. God bless you always. God bless your family always. At sana sa susunod na birthday mo ay may damit ka na. Ayan, bye-bye! Love you! Wanna Be Ronabie here! Hi, Jojo Abit! Kumusta, bro? Happy birthday sa'yo! I wish you good health always, more birthdays, and more blessings to come. Hopefully, present ako sa birthday live stream mo. Enjoy your big day! God bless!
Yo, happy birthday to Jojo Abit. So, yun, ang wish ko lang sa'yo ay more birthdays to come. Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo, and papandesal ka naman dyan, Jojo. Char! God bless always. Mag-iingat ka palagi at sana ay matupad mo lahat ng wish mo ngayong birthday mo. Maraming salamat sa friendship. Ayan. We love you so much, Jojo Abit. Jojo. Happy birthday!
Hi guys! May narinig akong chismis na ang pambansang hubad ng Whitey World ay magsi-celebrate ng kanyang birthday. Jojo Albit, happy birthday. I wish you more birthdays to come. May the good Lord bless all your heart's desire. And I wish yung pandemic, yung mga nangyayari ngayon ay matapos na para soon magkita-kita na din tayo. God bless you and have a blast on your day. Bye-bye!